Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on, you guys? This is Tech HD coming at you with a brand new video, and today I got a special video for you guys today because GFUEL just came out with their 2.0 formula. So that is some crazy news because they haven't updated their formula in years, and one of the major feedbacks and complaints that consumers and customers had was the chalkiness of the powder, the fact that the powder did not dissolve. So now we got the new and improved GFUEL 2.0. So this bad boy right here is the first one. This is the hype sauce. And I am so excited because hype sauce is one of my favorite flavors. So this 2.0 formula claims that it will not have the chalkiness and that the powder will actually fully dissolve in the water. So I'm so excited about that. And then of course, a new formula, new supplement facts. So we're gonna go over this and compare it to the original one and look at this tub design. I really like the more up-to-date design. It looks a little bit more modern, and I'm a big fan of this. So a little bit of comparison. I got the OG one right here, rest in peace hype sauce. But just to show you guys, this is the original versus the updated one. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys stick with the original, or do you guys like the 2.0 version of the tub design? And for you guys that want to know the supplement facts, here it is. You go ahead and pause it. But I'm going to be going really slow, and I'm going to be going over the differences between the original and the new 2.0 one. I'm going to be taking a look at that. So, and before we get started, just to let you guys know that you guys can use my code TechHD, and that will get you guys 20% off the new 2.0 flavor. And let's dive right in and compare the supplement facts. All right, so take a look at the calories. From the original, we're looking at about 15 calories per serving, whereas the 2.0 is now 5 calories. So that is a pretty good improvement. Total carbohydrates is about 2 grams, whereas the original is at 3. Taking a look at sugar, there is still 0 grams as far as that goes. Vitamin C is still going to be at 250 milligrams, and there seems to be no vitamin E on the new 2.0 tub, whereas the original was at 10 milligrams. And then niacin is at 15 milligrams, same thing on the original. Vitamin B6 is at 10 mg, which is the same on the original, and vitamin B12 is at 10 mcg, which is the same on the original as well. And then chlorine is at 160 milligrams, whereas on the original is at 80 milligrams. And then when we look at sodium, it's at 80 milligrams, whereas in the original 79, so just a little bit above that. And now getting into some of the key ingredients, keep in mind, I'm gonna butcher these names, so I do apologize for not properly pronouncing them. And just a heads up, I'm not an expert when it comes to this, but I do the research and I find it really interesting, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what the new ingredients are and what they mean. So looking at taurine, we are at 1500 milligrams on the new formula, whereas on the original was at 1000 milligrams. And then one of the new formulas on the 2.0 is going to be glycine, which is at 500 milligrams. And then on the new formula, we got L-citrulline, which is at 500 milligrams. And then on the original, it's called L-citrulline malate. So I'm not too sure on what the differences between those are, but that's also at 500 milligrams. And then on the original, we got caffeine at 140 milligrams. And then here, it's still 140 milligrams on the new formula, but now it's called caffeine anhydrous. So we're going to take a look at exactly what that means. And then one of the new ingredients on the new formula is called L-Theanine, which is at 200 milligrams. And then we also got this long word, which I'm gonna butcher really hard, which is called glucuronolactone, which is at 100 milligrams on both of those. And then take a look at the antioxidant complex. There's a long list on the original, whereas on this one, it's just antioxidant fruit blend, which is just pomegranate fruit powder, sour cherry fruit powder, and that is pretty much it. And then other ingredients are going to be citric acid, pineapple fruit powder, silicone dioxide, natural and artificial flavors. And then lastly, one of the new ingredients that's going to be on the new formula is called L-carnitine tartrate, which is at 50 milligrams. So now let's take a look at what the new ones are and what they mean when it comes to the 2.0 formula. All right, so like I said, I'm not an expert when it comes to these ingredients and knowing the key differences, the benefits, the pros and the cons. So do your own research when it comes to it. And then let me know down in the comments below on the pros and the cons when it comes to what I'm going to be saying here. But we got caffeine anhydrous, which is a powdered form of caffeine from which all water has been removed. This dehydrated state makes it a highly concentrated and potent form of caffeine, allowing for precise dosing and faster absorption in the body compared to caffeine found in natural sources like coffee or tea. So the key characteristics is going to be it's concentrated, it's fast acting, and it's precise dosing. So that is one of the key things when it comes to the new caffeine, which in my opinion sounds really beneficial, which means that it's more absorbent and it's going to kick in a lot quicker, which is going to be really beneficial when it comes to energy, focus, all of that. And then taking a look at glycine, it is the simplest amino acid and a fundamental building block for proteins, particularly collagen, found in connective tissues, bones, and skin. And it acts as a neurotransmitter in the nervous system and helps detoxify the body, aids in fast digestion. And so the key aspects of glycine is the structure, protein synthesis, and non-essential amino acid, and then it has a sweet taste. Okay, very interesting indeed. And so some of the health benefits and research is sleep, mood, and antioxidant support. So glycine may improve sleep quality by regulating the body's sleep-wake cycle. So this is not going to give you any crash or any jitters or anything like that, to the point that you're going to have trouble falling asleep when it comes to all of that energy. And when it comes to mood, it can stimulate the production of serotonin, a feel-good hormone that enhances mood and memory. So that sounds very beneficial. So hopefully we'll see how this all tastes and all of this added stuff, and see if it does a different or not. And then last thing we got is L-Theanine. So let's see what that one is. So L-Theanine is an amino acid primarily found in green and black tea that helps promote relaxation and reduce stress without causing drowsiness. So that is going to be the major benefit when it comes to no crash, no jitters, the usual when it comes to GFUEL, promoting focus, energy, and without the crash or the jitters afterwards, which is really beneficial. So it also available as a dietary supplement and may improve sleep quality, mental focus, and concentration when combined with caffeine. So that is the other key thing. So that sounds really beneficial. And it seems like those are all of the new ingredients that I see that is added compared to the original formula. So one more time, I'm gonna be showing you guys the original formula. So for those of you guys that don't have the hype sauce tub, here is the original formula. So you guys could pause it and take a look at it, zoom in, you know, pixel peep, and take a look at the ingredients and the supplement facts. So this is the original. And then now this one is the supplement fact for the 2.0 one. So I'm gonna be going really slow. Like I said, you guys could pause, compare and contrast, talk about the pros and the cons. And then I would really like your guys' thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think as far as the new supplement facts. And then one more time, I just want to remind you guys that I'm not an expert when it comes to knowing the supplement facts, knowing the benefits and all that. So I would love to be educated. And for those of you guys that are a lot more experienced and much more knowledgeable in this field, let me know down in the comments below. And then let me know what is more beneficial, the original one or the new and improved 2.0 formula. But now that we compared the original and the new one, now we're going to be seeing how well it dissolves and then comparing the flavor. So now it's time to do a taste test. So for the original, I'm going to be using the GFUEL packet. This one is going to be 1 full serving size. So I'm going to be putting it in one of the shaker cups, in one of the clear ones, so you guys could clearly see if the powder dissolves or not. So this is the original. I'm going to be pouring it all right here. And you can see, getting a close up, that is all of the powder. And then we're going to be dumping in some water. And I'm not going to be using ice for this test because I want to see it fully dissolving and not having ice involved when it comes to it. But usually I put ice. So a full bottle of water in the shaker cup. I'm going to be shaking this up in the bottom portion of the shaker cup. And then I'm also going to be shaking it like this. And now I'm gonna let it sit on the table for about 10 minutes and wait for all the powder to go all the way to the bottom. And we're gonna be taking a look at that and see how much has dissolved. And now let's take a look at the new 2.0 flavor and take a look at the new shaker cup right here. Look at that with the new logo. I like it. It's a clean style, it's a clean look, and then can't wait for them to come out with new designs when it comes to the shaker cup. They did not change the scooper design. So that stayed the same. And we're gonna be right at that line. So there we go. So we're gonna be right at the line. It's not gonna be all the way up. It's gonna be right at that line. So this one is the 2.0 formula. So taking a look at that, about the same. Should be the same serving size. Then we add water. And then it seems like we got the same color as the original. Yeah, very color vibrant indeed, but kind of looks a little bit more clear. So let's see how it is. Shake this up, same way. And I'm gonna shake it this way. Spin it around a little bit. There we go. And now we're gonna put this on the table, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then see if it fully dissolved and if there's any powder on the bottom. And hopefully that there isn't. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes now. So if we take a look at the original formula, we could see there's a little bit of a white ring on the bottom, and that is pretty much the powder, the excess powder. And I'm gonna try to have it focus, but it's gonna be hard to catch it. Maybe if I shine a light on it, it might show a little bit better. But if we take a look at the 2.0 formula, it's pretty much gone. There's pretty much no white ring on the bottom compared to the original. And it seems like it's a little bit more clearer, like I could kind of see through it more, whereas this one's a little bit more saturated in vibrant colors. So let's see if I were to try not to move it as much. If I were to shine a light, yeah, I could definitely see some of the powder still moving down there. So if we were to shine a light, highlight the bottom area, I'll probably show you guys in a water bottle. That's a little bit easier to see, kind of showing down there. You kind of see more of the white powder. Because if I were to flip it, you guys won't be able to see it. But you kind of see like a layer of white chalkiness. And then if we take a look at the 2.0, most of it is gone for the most part. You don't really see much of the chalkiness or any of that powder kind of floating around. And there's really nothing on the bottom from what I see. So it seems like most of it has dissolved. So let's see if we taste the chalkiness though. Let me shake this one more time. This one is the original hype sauce. So here we go. Cheers, everyone. Still an overall amazing flavor. I truly love the hype sauce, one of my all-time favorite flavors. And there's a hint of the chalkiness at the end. But overall, most of it is gone from what I taste. I think it's more there when there's ice involved, but without it, most of it is gone. Still overall really smooth. But now, let's take a look at the 2.0 formula and see how well this is. So one more time and see if it holds up to the great taste of the original hype sauce. All right, here we go. GFUEL 2.0 formula, hype sauce. Cheers, everyone. Oh, wow. Okay. The flavor is still there. You can still taste a good amount of flavor, but you definitely notice that it's a lot smoother. And there isn't like a layer of kind of like that chalkiness there. Huh. Very, very interesting. Yeah, it's definitely a lot smoother. It's a lot easier to drink. Drink it way faster. Like there's no chalkiness afterwards, like in the gum or in the tongue area. That is pretty impressive, and it still has the amazing taste of the hype sauce. So I love that. Oh my God, they have improved it. They have improved hype sauce, made it even better. That is amazing. Okay, hold up. Yeah, it is still the same hype sauce. Absolutely delicious. Hold up, let me try the original. Yeah, the flavor is exactly the same, but I taste a little bit of that layer of the chalkiness on the original. It's there. I definitely taste it, especially when I'm drinking it. Well, I guess I was so used to it, but now like not tasting it feels weird, but way better for sure. Hold up. So I could definitely confirm now that the flavor is exactly the same and the chalkiness is gone in the 2.0 formula, which is amazing. It's very impressive for sure. And you don't lose the flavor at all. And it tastes a lot smoother and still has that amazing, great taste of the flavor. So I am really happy about that. Finally, after so long, GFUEL 2.0 formula is here and is available in certain flavors right now, and hopefully will come out with a lot more flavors down the road. So I believe they have the Nuka-Cola flavor, the PewDiePie 2.0 flavor, the Miami Nights, which is again another one of my all-time favorites. If you guys have been around my channel for a while, I love the Miami Nights. I love the Berry Bomb, the Doodleberry Hype Sauce. So I'm hoping that all of those will have the 2.0 flavor. So now we got the Hype Sauce, we got the Miami Nights, which I really gotta try out, and then I gotta try out a bunch of the other ones. I am excited. I am excited for the future of the 2.0 formula. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you guys try it out, and if you guys have any questions or concerns, please let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know you guys' thoughts and opinions and feedback. And then let me know what you guys think of the new supplement facts, what has been added, what has been removed. And if you guys want to learn more about it, I'll leave a link down in the description below to the GFUEL 2.0 formula explaining what has been added and removed and then the benefits of that. So definitely take a look at that. And don't forget to use code TechHD to get 20% off your GFUEL purchase. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok at tech_HD1. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace!